All right, so we are here and second challenge with Maxime today, and now we are gonna go with Webflow. So what we're gonna do right now, so last week we made a Figma design and basically was not that good. But now we are in my field and we are going to do a Webflow rebuild.
You basically found like a website that you would like us to redo in Webflow, and we're gonna try to replicate it.
Exactly, that's how it works.
50 minutes.
Yeah, true, 50 minutes, so that's the estimate time, and I'm actually not sure if this is even possible. So
I don't think it's actually logical to do it in 15 minutes, but at least it's gonna give us a rough estimate of our skills. So we have to do a minimum of 2 sections. And we also have to make sure that the website is adapted on the tablet and on mobile.
Yeah, I think that's going to be pretty challenging. Like making the design in desktop version is one thing, but then making it responsive also is another thing. and
the only thing we kind of not really cheated, but we just took all the colors and all the fonts. We basically, already prepared it in Webflow. This way we don't need to upload it and, look for the colors and stuff.
Yeah, well, Maxime, then I'm starting the timer, right?
All right.
Yeah, we basically see each other in 50 minutes.
Good.
All right, Maxime. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
All right, so 50 minutes are running. And we are starting the challenge. I'm not sure if that's even possible. So we got this design right here. We have design.
Okay, so we started the design. So first of all, I've already imported the font. So now let's do the hero section.
So first, start with section and naming. Okay, I think naming is a little bit over the top, but try that.
So I think the spacing, unfortunately, it's not in Figma, so I cannot see exactly the spacing between, but I'll just estimate.
What I'm exactly doing right now, so I just have to develop as quick as possible, because I'm not sure if I'm even able to deliver that. So I will explain somehow what I'm doing. So I'm having this grid and then putting my div block inside and heading, that's the H1 of course.
Same thing for here. I'll give it 1300 and I'll center it. So this thing, I have to put it in the middle and we'll have to stretch it.
And okay, we got okay. I have to add a paragraph and then add the buttons, button 1 and button 2. Okay.
I think I'll make a grid out of it. Yes, I'll make a grid. This is way harder than doing it in Figma. Especially when you don't have time to think about how you're gonna think to arrange things, how to do the layout and everything. I mean, when you don't have time, when you have 15 minutes to do all of that, I mean, it becomes very stressful.
So at least this time I'm a bit more confident as last time, because last time it was such a mess. But
so a lot of assumptions. I'm literally eyeballing it because we don't have a Figma to have exactly the values. And now it's going to be the button, and I have 5 minutes to go. That doesn't sound great at all. Again, eyeballing everything. We don't have a Figma file. Get it on Firefox, and guess what? It's a little different. The color is a little different because it's for Firefox, not for Chrome. Oh my god, where's the image of the tablet? Illustration, features, illustration. Oh my god.
Oh, no, okay, wow. Okay, at least gonna quickly do do that. Okay, I mean. And that's kind of how it looks like. It's just that the image is wrong, and the colors here are wrong as well. And the time is up. Now the thing is, I haven't even got the time to add the button. The button here I had. Well, you know what? Last time Nico got a little head start. Well, this time I'm gonna get a head start. What are we gonna do? We're gonna put the button. Yeah, definitely. The biggest problem here was the fact that I haven't revised any files. So I don't even know where is that little blue thing. I'm actually pretty excited how many sections or how many things Maxime achieved. So we're gonna join him right away. So let's see what he's done. Okay, I'm gonna call back Nico and we'll see how he did it. Probably he did it better. I think for sure he managed to finish the tablet version and the mobile version. However, I don't think he had time to go do the tabs for the second section. All right, so challenge somehow did. Like, Maxime, how did it work out for you? Well, for me, it was pretty brutal. My ego crushed because I thought I was way more skillful in Webflow, and I thought in 15 minutes I could actually do more than 2 sections, but I was so wrong. Yeah, it's actually, that was like the same case for me. I'm gonna show you my screen right now, and you will see how bad it actually turned out. Like, you have everything right, it's just the styling, I think, that you don't have. Well, like, to be completely honest, I kind of like, because I had only 50 minutes, I kind of rushed through it all. So you see, I've got no, like, there's no link styling, no real button styling, and no real, I mean, there's no style. Like, I even forgot the element that is sitting right here. And the image, and the image in the background. Yeah, absolutely. But I've got 2 sections, so that's my case. I've got the next section and some spacing right there, and kind of achieved, like, obviously completely wrong developed. But you would be so you'll be so surprised when you're gonna see my my screen. Well, but thing is, I've got it in responsive, so it's kind of not good, but it's kind of responsive. Yeah. I have all the styling. I have the styling. That's the thing I have. However, like, some elements I don't have the right colors because in the beginning I didn't copy all the colors necessary. So that was a mistake. I was, again, rushing. And remember you said, like, there was something in the background, the blue thing missing? Well, I thought it was an image. So in all the library of images we had, I was looking for an image of a rectangle, but, you know, I didn't find anything. Probably. So apparently, as you said, it was like a div block, which you're supposed to custom made it. And I didn't know. So I lost maybe 2 minutes looking for it. So I lost a lot of time. And this is where I lose this challenge. This is the only section I've done because I was too preoccupied with the styling and stuff. I really tried to make it work from the beginning. Okay, I mean, at least you got the styling right, so that's kind of your plus point, but you only got this section. Yeah, so I have nothing, and even worse. Okay. Look, I don't have any breakpoints. I don't know, I thought 15 minutes is going to be more than enough. Yeah, same. But the reason why is because generally when we create websites, you know, we take time to plan it. We take time to be like, okay, we're gonna use this width, we're gonna use this padding, we're gonna use this system of units. But this time, like, we just jumped into it. We didn't even look at the files, at the images we had to work with. We just jumped in and just tried to do everything on the fly, which was, you know, horrible.
And I mean, that's what happens.
Yeah, same goes with me. I wasn't even thinking about the design and how I should develop the design. Normally, I go over the design step by step and check how I should develop this design now. But that was not the case with this design challenge, like with this development challenge right now. And to be honest with you, all the normal development rules like accessibility and naming structures, like all these little things that are actually pretty important, and there was no no time for that, right?
I mean, I think the fact that we try to make that challenge, like try to develop in Webflow in 15 minutes, I think the whole challenge is just wrong. Like we can't do that. I think we just can't develop in Webflow and base our result and like try to track our performance on speed. It's like literally not.
Yeah, I also think that. So challenging each other with Webflow on speed is that's completely wrong. So the challenge should be about how you thought about this development. That could be a challenge, but not about speed. So I think we see each other in the next challenge.
Good.
And yeah, till then, happy coding.
All right. Happy designing.
Okay, oh, that was good. Okay, bye-bye.
All right. Ciao.